Hello everyone, my name is Clement. Today we'll be talking about an 8 to 1 multiplexer. But without wasting much time, let's move straight to the drawing table. This is our logic table, our 8 to 1 logic table. Somebody may ask why this table has already been drawn. It's not any big issue. It's just reading in base 2. So 1 in base 2 will be 0, 0, 1. 2 in base 2 will be 1, 0. 3 in base 2 will be 1, 1. 4 in base 2 will be 1, 0, 0. 5 in base 2 will be 1, 0, 1. 6 in base 2 will be 1, 1, 0. 7 in base 2 will be 1, 1, 1. And the reason why we are having 3 selected lines is using this formula for our multiplexer. 2 to the power n equals to 8. 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. N is equal to 3. Meaning we have 3 selected lines, namely x2, x1, and x0. So this table will help us draw our multiplexer. That will be the 8 to 1 multiplexer. This was just a quick review on whatever we are coming to do. So not wasting my time, let's move straight to the laptop and use our Logisim to draw our 8 to 1 multiplexer. We are here on Logisim to create an 8 to 1 multiplexer. As you can already see, our 8 input pins have already been put in place, as from I0 to I7. And we have our AND gates, 8 AND gates with 4 pins. Somebody may wonder how I selected the 4 pins. Ideally, when you select the AND gate, it comes with 2 pins. There's pin 1, pin 2 for input, and pin 1, the red one, for output. So you come here, you select on the gate, you come here, the number of inputs, you select 4. Press enter. Voila. You see, that's 10 to 4 pins. Okay. So that was the same scenario we use for all these AND gates, 8 AND gates. And let me show you our 3 selected pins. There's the S2, S1, S0. Somebody may wonder, this one is a NOT gate. 1 NOT gate, 2 NOT gate, 3 NOT gate. This NOT gate has 2. That's the 1 and 0. So if it's 1 here, it will be not 1. That will be 0 here. If it's 1 here, it will be not 1. That will be 0. Same thing applies to S2. 1 here, it should be not 1. 0. So S2 has 2 inputs. I have 1 and 0. S12 has 1 and 0. S02 has 1 and 0. That will be our selected input. And we come here to our 1 output. That's an OR gate. OR gate. That will give us the output. So this one will be our output. So whatever will happen here in the input, you see the results here at the output. So without wasting much time, let's use the logic table that we use to draw our 8 to 1 multiplexer. The first one said S2 will be 0. So we come down here. S2 will be 0. S1 will be 0. And S0 will be 0. So it means all this connection will come from here, here, and here to what? I0. So we'll be doing the same thing for I2. And the selected lines for I2 will be 0, 1, 0. Zero, 1, 0. So we'll connect our 1. Our 1 will be here. Our 0 will be here. Our 0 will be here. I'll connect our AND gate to the input. So when I2 is 1, our output is also 1. So we are moving on to the next one. That will be I3. I3 will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yes, it's selected. 0, 1, 1 for I3. Zero, one, one, one. Connect our AND gate to the output. So when I3 is 1, our output is 1. So we'll be using the figures on the logic table throughout till we reach I7. Without wasting my time, I will move through till we finish. Now let's move on to I4. I4 on the logic table will be 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Move on to I6 on the selected lines. I6 is 1, 1, 0. I6 is 1, 1, 0. So let's move on to select 1, 1, 0 on I6. First, it connects your AND gate to the input. 1 for S2. Connect one to X1, and you connect 0 to S0. So when I6 is 1, our output is 1. When I6 is 0, our output is 0. And the last one will be I7. I7 is 1, 1, 1. So we select our AND gate connected to the input. 1 on S3, 1 on S2, 1 on S0. So when I7 is 1, our output is 1. So this is the diagram for 8-to-1 multiplexer. This is the 8-to-1 multiplexer. Our 8-to-1 multiplexer using the logic gate we talked about earlier. And this app I'm using now is Logism. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. We move on to I4. That will be 100. Connect our AND gate to the input I4. The rest all will be 0. So here will be 0 because it's not here. Here connected to 0 on the S1. So whenever our I4 is 1, our output is 1. And it's 0, our output is 0. We move on to the next one, that's I5. That will be selected lines will be 1 0 1. So we select our AND gate to I5, connect to I5. Our 1 will be here. Sorry. Our 0 will be here. Now 1 will be here. So when I5 is 1, our output is 1. When it's 0, our output is 0. We move on to the next one. That will be I6. On the table, I6 is 1 1.